Good morning, Divas. Today is Saturday, December the 22nd. We are so close to Christmas. I am headed to the gym. I have to go take my pre-workout before I head out the door, but just wanted to say good morning and let's go to the gym. We got to work hard today. I'm running 4 miles. Ain't nothing gonna stop me. I'm definitely gonna meet my goal for the week. I ran 6 miles during the weekday, and so I only have 4 miles remaining, which is what I do on Saturdays. For those of you who watch my vlogs, you know this. But yeah, so I'm gonna head to the gym, run on the treadmill, do some weights, and it's gonna be a great day. I just finished my run, did 4 miles, and then I did weights and legs. It's a good day, so I have to go home, get dressed, clean up the house, and see what's up for today. Washed my hair, and I decided to just wear my hair curly today, so I just wore it in a little ponytail up top. And so yeah, I took a few photos for my company, SHADY sunglasses. These are the Secure the Bag steampunk sunglasses in the colors gold and black. These are hot. These are not for everybody. These are not everybody's tea or cup of tea, but for those who can rock it, oh my god. So are you one of those who can rock this style? Leave a comment in the comment section below. But I am headed to Bradley Fair. It's a location here in Kansas, and I'll be taking photos for my cousin. I do have to switch out of my heels because I got on my thigh-high boots, and that's not good for photography. So I brought some Nikes that I can switch into so I can get my cousin all her angles, okay? Because I'm one of those people. I give you your angles. I will take the photo until we get it right. Now, I don't always have those people around me, but hopefully one day I attract those people so that I can get those photos, because I have to take them by myself. No, I'm playing, but I do have people who are learning. They're trying to get better, and they're patient with me because they know I'm a perfectionist as it relates to what I want it to look like, what I've envisioned. But yeah, so they're getting better. Like my husband, oh my god, before he used to crop my head out, and now he knows how to keep my head in the photo. Like, that's progress. So I am headed to Bradley Fair now. I will see you guys. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog doing that, but we shall see. Oh, hey. Okay. Come this way so I can see you. You cute. All right, makeup, poppin', come here.
How y'all doing today? It's a beautiful day out here. We in the shopping center. Oh, let's turn. Watch her get out the car, y'all. Whoa, look at her.
Had to change it to my Nikes. Okay, I had to change it to my Nikes so she can get all the angles, you know. So she ready now.
No.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, you know.
That's better. Okay. So we're gonna come down here.
Look, y'all see that, y'all? Gorgeous Bradley Fair. I just wanted to.
She brought extra clothes, y'all. It's a real photo shoot. This is a photo shoot. We're deciding to go back to the car because it's kind of chilly and I need to get my jacket so I can be free when I'm taking her photos. So yeah.
I just want everybody to know that I'm Danae's favorite cousin. I've been in most of her vlogs. They mad because I'm her favorite cousin.
Everybody mad. Everybody mad.
I thought of that. I was like, I'm always the one in her vlogs. Yeah, I'm her favorite cousin. You know, so if they get mad, know it's Teresa.
No, it's her. You better know it's her. When I was pulling into Bradley Fair, girl, my camera was up. The sheriff was looking.
I was like, how you feeling?
I had to put it down so fast. He was walking to his car. So I was like, let me hurry up and get out of here.
I thought maybe you had something to do tonight or something when I seen you first driving in here.
Look at that parking spot. Looking real good over there.
The moment you get in your
The
car,
moment we find one. Let me show y'all what photos I took of Miss Reecee Lynn today. All right. Ain't she fly? This ain't even a half, y'all. I took so many cute photos. I can't wait to show y'all what we took. She came ready. She came prepared. She came ready. She came prepared. So I'm going to show y'all some bomb photos she took. Look at her walking into 2019 like, look at her. I'll post regular footage of her so y'all can see it, but she killed the shoe. It is gonna be so lit. Like, woo! She got me ready to go home and take a photo shoot myself. But she did a great job, so yeah. So she about to go get some food, get some ice cream. I'm gonna go home and edit these photos, and then I'll send these to her tonight because I don't like owing people. So we'll be doing that today. But look at this tree. It is such a beautiful tall tree. And they do carriage rides on Sundays, so we're thinking about coming up here tomorrow for a carriage ride. So we might put that on the vlog if we come up here. But all right, we're about to go. Catch y'all a little bit later. Hey y'all, so I just finished editing the photos for my cousin and they're being sent to her right now. But these are some of the photos that I took and they're so cute. Y'all can't say she is not styling. She is styling and profiling. Her photos look so pretty. We had fun. We took a lot of photos and it was a good time. She looks so cute and happy. So yeah, those are the photos. Facebook about to go crazy. And then I took some photos around the house today. These are my Secure the Bag steampunk sunglasses, and they're in the color black and gold. And you guys see my earrings that I purchased from Shein, and that's the shirt that I got, that top bodysuit that I got from Poshmark. And then I just washed my hair and just put it up in a high pony. And again, that is my fit. And I had a pretty good day. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's vlog. I plan on actually doing my hair tonight or tomorrow morning. So I will definitely be giving you guys a quick little update on my hair as well. But thank you guys for watching. I will see you in tomorrow's vlog. XOXO.